There's another great tool that's being recycled. It's hard to believe. I can only imagine how much this thing costs brand new. Kalamazoo Industries Inc., Kalamazoo, Michigan. Nice brand new box on it. Switches work great. Brand new plug. It's got a nice huge motor on it, great electrical system. Heavy duty handle with a working guard. Nice beefy little plate here they have on here. Huge engine. Anyway, that one's just sitting here at the recyclers, just waiting to get melted down or destroyed. Hard to believe you can spend that much money and just recycle this and throw it away. If you're ever looking for great stuff though, go to your recyclers. You can probably get a better deal on this than anywhere else.